Why am I looking like a white lizard again? Being gay is difficult in every country, including India. I mean, at the age of 18, I came out as a gay guy and I was told what they call as, you don't look gay. I mean, I got asked out by a lot by girls, but when I told them, no sis, I'm gay, and they used to be like, no, I mean, completely understandable. We were 16, so and somehow this acne-filled, patchy beard and socks under floaters guy was actually liked by girls. I mean, I like girls. I admire them, but I like girls in terms of the outfit, earrings, and oh my gosh, I am crazy for my sister's stilettos. They are so long, so thick, so nice. Wait. With my experience of 10 years now, I came across a lot of heterosexuals, mainly my family, friends, friends of friends, and family of friends. I was tortured, dominated, made fun of, blah blah blah, every gay guy story. The interesting fact was, with the growing capacity of the majority, I came across different type of heterosexuals. The first category today I will talk about are what I called the half literates. I just don't know why I did that. This category is kind of confusing for me, to be very honest. They are like, okay, fine, you are gay, but on the other hand, I don't want no gay son in the household. So it is kind of like if my girl come and says, Mama, I'm gay still. She going to get married at the age of 23, have kids at 24, mereko pota poti mangta. Which if you ask me is, and. If a girl comes and says, Mama, I'm bisexual, they be like, big deal, शादी कर ले लड़के से, but तू समोसे बनाने सीखेगी. I call these people एक पैर में चप्पल, दूसरे पैर में loafers. Maybe an educational supportive push may help them grow. Maybe? I don't know. Now this kind are genuinely and with surety supportive of gay people. I mean, these people are the one who will come into your gay prides or will support you of who you are regardless of your tags. And I am very proud to say that these people come into and hang out around with us. And to be very honest, I shouldn't be tagging them as heterosexuals because at the end of the day, we are humans and we have a beating heart, and that's what actually matters. These people are highly respected in terms of understanding human nature and the way of living that we all deserve and we have a right for. Kudos to you, Shaktiman! And this category is one of my interesting and favorite category of all times. These people are ghosting around in sheets, throwing cheesy comments on your photos, stocking up your ass, making sure that you are uncomfortable to the extreme epitome, wanting to boom boom with you, do boom boom with you, and then they go like, I am straight. Only mask to mask. I mean, straight up lying, right? I mean, this person just texted and they be like, okay, I was looking out for guys. I mean, this person legit said that I was looking out for a Gayatri Mantra app and I ended up on Grindr, and I couldn't control my laughter, to be very honest. And then the second sentence was, do you have place? Sure, I mean, if you're considering your heterosexuality is considered to be masculine, fine, suit yourself. It ain't changing nothing. Sorry the heterosexual guys out there who didn't know, but it genuinely happens. If you ask me, I really don't understand the concept of tag. I guess I'm broken, but I genuinely respect people who do. You do you, right? I mean, at the end of the day, I don't think so. A lot of guys would appreciate a guy like me who has blue hair. Some might do, some might not. It's a human tendency, right? At the end of the day. Because we segregate certain criteria that we fall into or that we prefer into, and then we proceed to into certain things. Remember guys, this unheard community is doing a lot to stand for themselves and to do certain things and be heard of. I don't expect the entire world to change with a coin flip, but I can hope at least someday things might get more better. And to make your folks out there, do not get angry if they don't get your pronouns right. Sometimes, maybe, but you know at the end of the day what you are, right? And that's what actually matters. Our world is already enclosed with a lot of hate and stereotypes around us. Let us try to be gentle with words. And this was the end of the video, guys. I hope you like this video. Please comment, share, subscribe, and like to this video. And I will see you until next time. Bye-bye.